Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to transfer Apple account balance to Apple Pay. So can you do that? No, you cannot directly transfer your Apple account balance to your Apple Pay or Cash or bank. Apple does not allow Apple ID or store credit to be moved into Apple Pay Cash or used like a regular money outside of Apple services. So in this situation, you have two options. Firstly, request a refund. If you recently added funds manually to your Apple account balance by mistake, Apple support may be able to refund it. Visit reportaproblem.apple.com, log in with your Apple ID, and find the transaction where you added the balance, then request a refund or contact Apple support directly. They'll only approve this if the balance wasn't used and was recently added. And your second option is to use the balance on Apple purchases. Since you can't move it to Apple Pay, you can still use your Apple account balance to App Store purchases, iCloud storage, Apple Music, Apple TV Plus, etc., or Apple hardware when shopping on apple.com. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.